This is the app for my Logitech webcam. It can control a variety of functions. First, you can optimize it for either recording or streaming. Notice that you can record right in the app, making it easy for you to record your interpretations with the click of a button. If your computer has a webcam, check to see if the manufacturer provides an app that allows you to change the settings. Whether you use 1080p or 720p really depends on how much bandwidth your internet connection can handle. It might be better to use 720p when live streaming since 1080p uses a lot of bandwidth and memory. Notice that you can set the camera to prioritize frame rate or exposure. You want a consistent frame rate. Remember the old Charlie Chaplin movies? They're jittery because the frame rate is lower than 24 frames per second. Today, smooth video is accomplished by having frame rates of at least 24 frames per second. If you notice that your hands are blurring when they move, even when the camera's in focus, you have a low frame rate. It's important to select 30 frames per second or 30 FPS. The autofocus can be disabled through the camera's app. If you leave it in autofocus, the camera will try to focus on your hands, then your face, then your hands, resulting in a blurry image. Not pretty. It's really important that the autofocus is disabled.